For 140 years, the name Honeywell has been synonymous with industrial scale. But as of June 1st, 2026, the company has officially pulled the trigger on a transformation that signals a massive shift in the global tech and defense landscape. On June 29, Honeywell will officially split into two distinct publicly traded giants, Honeywell Technologies and Honeywell Aerospace. This isn't just a rebranding exercise. It's a strategic maneuver to capitalize on two of the most critical sectors of the next decade: the jump from industrial automation to full autonomy, and the rapid electrification of global aviation. Why split now? Look at the market. As a conglomerate, Honeywell was trading at a multi-industry discount. By creating pure-play entities, they are effectively unlocking shareholder value. But more importantly, they are gaining the agility needed to compete in the arms race of modern technology. Honeywell Technologies, retaining the ticker HON, is positioning itself as the backbone of the autonomous industrial revolution. We're talking about AI-driven controls, safety, and productivity software. They aren't just building machines anymore, they're selling the intelligence that makes those machines autonomous. Then there's Honeywell Aerospace, ticker HONA. This is the play for the defense and aviation space. As we track the transition toward electric flight and autonomous defense systems, HONA is setting itself up to be one of the largest pure-play aerospace suppliers in the world. They aren't weighed down by the industrial automation side of the house. They're free to pour their capital directly into R&D for next-gen avionics and flight systems.
For those of us tracking the intersection of strategy and tech, this is a signal. The conglomerate era is fading, replaced by hyper-specialization. When a titan like Honeywell decides to focus, it's a bet on the future of electrification and autonomy. Investors and strategists should be watching how these two new entities handle capital allocation. Does Honeywell Technologies aggressively acquire AI startups to dominate the software stack? Does HON pivot its focus further toward defense and government contracts in the new space era? These are the movements that define market leadership for the next 20 years. And the broader industry is following suit. We're even seeing firms like Schaeffler appointing new leadership for their defense and new space divisions, proving that the scramble for dominance in autonomous systems is heating up across the board. Is this the final evolution of the industrial titan, or just the beginning of a new era of hyper-specialization? I want to hear your perspective. Are you betting on the intelligence of the new technologies division or the aerospace dominance of the other? Drop your analysis in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of these strategic shifts in global tech and defense, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. For this is EdgeVerse Intelligence, and we will see in the next video.